Okay, so besides BMXing, I do other things like dirt biking, cars, a bunch of other stuff. Also music festivals, because those are lit as fuck. But right now, we're gonna go install this on my dirt bike that doesn't have a kill switch. Alright, I'm just kind of messy right now, whatever. Cleaning the shits. Oh. Here we are again. Or again. Whatever you fucking people say. Alright, you gotta pull the bike out, so. Okay, so. At first, they connected to these ghetto ass wires that someone hooked up. Like, I don't know who did this, but it's really bad. Seriously, like, look at that. It's fucking terrible. I've never seen a wire job this bad in a long time. But it should be easy because there are colors to help me out a bit. And yeah. So we're gonna take these two wires and twist them together for now. Hopefully shit doesn't hit the fan. This is my first time trying this by myself. Don't hate. The spot where the kill switch is gonna go. Hook that up for you right now. So again, like I said, screw comes right off, just like that. Easy peasy. We'll just chill. I really like this design. I think whoever made this is smart as shit. Coming off takes a bit, but whatever. Could be worse. Go through here. Go. And it just fits over. From last time I did everything. Just like that. Kind of flashy, but whatever, I don't really care. Okay, so we're gonna run it through along here, like I said, going on top of the gas tank, under the seat, back to where the wires were. Nothing hot to burn the wire either, just to be safe. This goes like this. Do some more twisting. Alright, I think it's time to start it. Try it out. Okay, so I just had to open my tempo so I wouldn't kill my family with carbon monoxide poisoning. And yeah, safety first. There's the shot, everybody. The shot. There you go. Alright. Time to give this thing a shot. Let's do it. Finally. Before I would just used to have to stick my hand over the carburetor, which got annoying and ghetto, so I think it was necessary that I did this. Oh my god. Successful. Man, I'm really glad that works. Here, hold on. Back down. Kick her out. got an ignition switch. We're missing spokes. And a back brake, that's pretty sketchy. And a working clutch. Which is supposed to come in, but still hasn't. Don't understand that. Alright. So, that's it for today. Whenever I have something else, I'll update. You know, you guys will be seeing some stuff on my bike pretty often. Well, whenever I get muddy, and yeah. That's about it. Alright, see you guys next time. Peace.